Welcome everyone. Today we are diving into the software development lifecycle or SDLC, exploring it from the basics all the way to advanced concepts. Let's get started. So, what exactly is SDLC? The software development lifecycle is a structured process we follow to build high quality software. It helps us ensure that the software we create is built right, delivered on time, and maintained effectively. SDLC typically consists of six key phases: requirement gathering and analysis, system design, implementation or coding, testing, deployment, and finally maintenance. Each of these plays a crucial role in the software journey. The first step is to understand exactly what our users need. We collect and analyze requirements, both functional and non functional, to clearly define the scope. This phase results in a software requirements specification document that guides us moving forward. Next, we move to system design. Here, we create the high-level design which maps out the architecture and overall system structure. Then we dive deeper into low-level design, detailing components and modules. This phase outputs important design documents including data flow diagrams and entity relationship models. Now the real fun begins, that is coding. Developers write code based on the design documents. We use tools like IDEs and version control systems such as Git and ensure we follow coding standards and best practices to keep the code clean and maintainable. Once coding is done, we test the software thoroughly to catch bugs and verify it meets requirements. Testing types include unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and acceptance testing. We leverage tools like Selenium, JUnit, and Postman to automate and streamline this process. After successful testing, we deploy the software to our users. Deployment often happens in stages: alpha, beta, and then full production. We use tools such as Jenkins, Docker, and Kubernetes to automate and manage this process effectively. Finally, maintenance ensures our software stays up to date and performs well. This includes corrective fixes, adapting to new environments, and making improvements. Maintenance is critical for long term success. There are several SDLC models we can choose from depending on the project: Waterfall, Agile, Scrum, Kanban, V model, Spiral, and DevOps. Each has its unique approach, from linear sequences to iterative and risk driven methods. Let's briefly explore these descriptions. Agile is a popular model focused on flexibility and collaboration. It includes roles like product owner and scrum master, with regular events such as daily stand-ups and sprint planning. Artifacts like product backlogs and burn down charts help keep us organized and focused. Throughout the SDLC, we use a variety of tools to help us. For requirements, tools like Jira and Confluence help track progress. Design uses tools like Figma, while development often leverages GitHub and VS Code. Testing involves Postman and JUnit. Deployment uses Docker and Jenkins, and maintenance circles back to Jira and Git. Quality assurance is essential. We start testing early, what we call shift left testing, to find issues sooner. Continuous testing integrated into pipelines ensures ongoing quality, supported by code reviews and tools like SolarCube that help detect potential problems automatically. Security must be integrated from the start, forming what we call secure SDLC. This includes threat modeling, secure coding practices, and both static and dynamic application security testing. Popular tools here include OSAP, ZAP, and Fortify. Documentation is vital throughout the entire lifecycle. We create clear requirement specs, test design documents, API documentation, and user manuals to ensure everyone stays informed and the software can be maintained effectively. To measure our success, we track metrics like code coverage to assess test completions, de- defect density for code quality, velocity to monitor agile progress, MTTR for maintenance speed, and lead time to evaluate the development cycle efficiency. To wrap up, following best practices ensures success. This includes clear requirements, effective communication, frequent testing, automation with CI/CD pipelines, thorough documentation, and a security-first mindset. In conclusion, the SDLC is the backbone of building great software. We should adapt models to suit our project needs, always focus on quality and collaboration, and continuously strive for improvement. Thank you for your attention.